Hey everybody, and welcome to the Equine Photo School's very first course. We're doing custom collage creation. It's going to be awesome. I'm really glad you guys are here. Thanks for believing in me, and let's get into it. Okay, the first thing I want to talk to you about, mindset. Let's get those minds right. Let's get centered on that we are artists, right? So we're creating something that people haven't seen before. It's something new and different. They've seen collages, they've seen where they just chop up and have nice little lines and they're all arranged differently. But what people don't usually see is these cutouts. So we're going to go through this whole process. I'm going to take you step by step through this. We're going to start with cutting the things out. We're going to cut out the pictures. We're going to go through all the different steps. I'm going to show you how I cut them out. I'm going to show you some tips and tricks and some of the hard parts and how we're going to get around those in a fairly easy way. And then we're going to move on to layering all of these together and arranging them into a way that's pleasing to the eye. And then we're going to put a background in there. We're going to separate all the layers. It's going to be quite the course. So I'm glad you're here. We're going to just dive right in. You'll see that this course has been broke down into 8 different sections. Now we don't need to go into what each of the sections is right now. You can kind of review them over on the side. The first kind of thing we want to think about here while we're in this mindset kind of thought is we want to have an abundance mindset. So we don't want to shop our own products. We don't want to be thinking about, well, can I afford this? Is this something that I would buy? You know, that sort of thing. Those kind of thoughts will drive your price down because you'll try to cheapen it for yourself, and you don't want to shop your own price list. You know what I mean? So what we don't want to do is be thinking, well, I can't afford this, so no one else can either. That's just not true. Now this is a higher end product, and it is going to take the right person to buy it. So not everybody's going to buy it. Don't expect them to. They're just not all going to. Not everybody buys a 5x7 either, you know what I mean? So you just need to find the right customers. So when you have somebody that is in your booth and or online, or they contact you in some way and they have a lot of pictures that they love and they are fanatic about it, and you can tell, you know, you start to kind of read people and you see that they want something a little bit more special than everybody else gets, and this is the right product for that kind of person. So later on in this, in one of the later sections, we're going to get into like how to sell it, and we're going to get into breaking down the price for people and making it more manageable, and having different thoughts around how to structure that price and how to approach it at different angles for people so that they're more inclined to purchase this product. But the nice thing is that you're going to probably have one on display, because after we're done with this course, you're going to have created one. If you use your own images, you'll be able to use that and market it yourself. If you use the images that I supplied for you, then you'll have a great understanding. Once you take your own images, then you can put them together yourself into your own, and you'll have an example to show to customers so you can let them get their hands on it, so to speak. So confidence is the key here. So when you're selling these and you're talking to them with customers, you're going to want to be confident in your ability to do so. And I know right now you're probably not feeling real confident, and that's okay, because we haven't even done anything yet. We're just starting this course and we're just getting into it. So but by the end of this, you will start to feel confident. After you go through this maybe a couple of times on your own and you're building your own from scratch, you're going to feel real confident. It won't take very long, I promise. You'll get the hang of this thing, and pretty soon you'll be confident, and then you'll be being able to sell these to customers one after the next. Okay, well, without further ado, let's jump into the computer. I'm going to let you guys see my screen exactly how it is. I'm going to record the whole thing for you. You guys can pause this video at any time. Any of the future videos, you can just pause them when it comes to a point where you want to watch it for a little bit and then go do it yourself, right? So that'll help you like learn, make, repeat, right? So that's what we're gonna do today, and let's just get into it.